How to pay in Lazada using your Lazada wallet. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step guide on how to activate your wallet in Lazada. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record tutorial on the 5 simple steps on how you can use your Lazada wallet while shopping and the benefits of using it. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Lazada Wallet is one of the latest innovation of one of the largest selling online platform. It functions like most of the online wallets, complete with useful features that shoppers will find useful. All transactions using this are covered by the Lazada payment protection. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how you can activate your Lazada wallet and start shopping online. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to pay in Lazada using your Lazada Wallet. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.